Hi, my name is Willie from Surefire. We are a company from Taiwan. Now I'm at ISE 2020 at Amsterdam. Now I would like to introduce a new product, HDMI 2.1 active optical cable. So the cable will be available from 10 meter to 30 meter at the moment. So we have done some tests already. So it's a mixed the HDMI 2.1 specification, and we should be able to ship the product after the final CTS to be released by HDMI org after March. So if you need any more information, please visit our website at www.sure/fire.com.tw. Thank you.